What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on AMP. As you guys can see, it has slowly started to gain value and it is up just over 8% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at 0.005 cents guys, and it has gone up quite a bit over the week itself. It has dropped a little bit earlier on in the week and started to pump back up since the 6th of March, which was 3 days ago, and over the month it's a massive 50% up guys. So we're going to be looking at where is AMP heading to next. Can it potentially head up to the 1 cent target over the coming weeks, and looking at its prediction over the short term and over the long term in 2024 guys, looking at how high and how low the crypto can go, and covering buyers and sellers point of view, looking at is it a crypto to be buying right now, is it to be selling, or is it simply time to be holding on to it, and also covering its prediction. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of AMP, which is here in purple at 0.0049 cents, and the crypto is trading at a slightly higher value here in red, meaning it is performing quite well and better than expected, and there is only a little bit of a gap between the two figures here, so it is pretty much on target. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, the lines are looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction. As you guys can see, the blue and the orange line are both slanting towards the negative direction, meaning minimal drops in value are expected from AMP over the next 12 to 14 hours. However, I'm expecting it to hit more green candles over the coming hours, and potentially by midday to tomorrow afternoon, the crypto should be trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment. Nothing too crazy. It is likely to be a very minimal drop in value, but again, as I mentioned, do also expect green candles in between as well. So do expect quite a wave, but the overall outcome does seem to be more on the negative side. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days now we have taken a U-turn. We are looking quite bullish here. We've got both the blue and the orange line heading upwards towards the positive direction, meaning an overall minimal increase in value is expected from AMP over the next 7 to 8 days. So by the end of next week, the crypto should be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. And yes, I'm expecting it to head over 0.0062 cents in value by the end of next week. Reason being is AMP hasn't pumped up as much as majority of the cryptos have pumped up in value, so I'm expecting a slow and steady increase in value from AMP. However, in between that time, it is also likely to hit red candles, take a little bit of a dip in between, potentially by early to mid next week, and then hitting green candles for the rest of the week, meaning trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment is what I'm expecting from AMP. However, if there are any changes to that, I will of course keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So moving on to the daily chart over the next couple of weeks now, what can we see here? As you guys can see, we've got both the blue and the orange line literally flat out going in a straight line. They're not looking bullish or bearish. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks guys, late April, early May 2024, AMP, according to the graph, should be fluctuating around its current price range of 0.005 cents. However, that is not what I'm expecting, guys. I'm expecting an overall increase in value from AMP over the next couple of weeks, potentially heading closer to the 1 cent target is what I'm expecting from the crypto. Reason being is, as you guys know, the Bitcoin halving is coming up in April, which should have a positive impact on the crypto market. And again, there will be more updates on that in a future video as I get closer to the date and as I get more analysis and data on the crypto as well. But at the moment, an overall increase in value from AMP and majority of the cryptocurrencies is what I'm expecting by late April, early May, but there will be more updates on that as well. And AMP is a crypto that I keep you guys updated on a regular basis as well. So bringing out the Fibonacci scale, we are still trading in the red zone. However, we have been getting closer and closer to the green zone since about last October. As you guys can see, we have gained an insane amount of value and we are getting quite close, and I'm expecting it to potentially hit the resistance target by early to mid-April, potentially heading into the green zone by late April and early May. But again, if there are any changes, I will keep you guys updated. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, the trading volume has gone up over 90% in the last 24 hours, making it $18 million in trading, guys. Reason it has gone up is AMP has been gaining value over the last 24 hours. So there's been a lot more interaction within the cryptocurrency, a lot more buyers, a lot more sellers, and in general, just a lot more traders, which in return has also helped the value of AMP pump up in value. And again, do expect red candles over the next couple of hours, green and red, but again guys, the overall outcome does seem to be more on the negative side. So for those of you asking me, would I buy the crypto right now or would I sell it? Buying wise, I wouldn't buy it. Reason being is it is above my maximum buying price for the specific crypto, because each crypto I have a maximum buying price and this one has gone way above it. So no, I would not invest into it. And from seller's point of view, would I sell the crypto right now if I was on a profit? Yes, I would, but I wouldn't sell all of it. What I mean by that is, if I had $1,000 invested into it, I would probably take out about 30 to 40%. So take out 30 to 40% of my profit and keep the remaining into AMP, which means I've taken out some profit and also got investment into the crypto, which in my opinion works both ways. So yeah, this is my take and my prediction on AMP, guys. 1 cent should be coming soon over the next approximately 2 months. Let me know in the comment section down below, when are you guys expecting AMP to be hitting the 1 cent target? And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe. So why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.